updated top 5 favorites from Ongpin Street, Binondo. First on the list ay itong fried xiaolongbao ng Binondo Bites by Eng Bitin. Legit na may sabaw sa loob at 5 pieces for 150 pesos. Top 2 is from Lord's Toast Bakery ang kanilang famous egg tarts. Creamy filling with flaky crust and box of 6 for 320 pesos. Top 3 is the scallion pancakes na makikita mo kay ate na nagbebenta sa tabi-tabi. Full bowl for 100 pesos. Top 4 is Owishikun's Bicho Bicho, specifically Milky Bicho Bicho. Ang satisfying kung paano nila lutuin sa harapan mo, and this is basically fried bread na medyo matamis, 70 pesos isang haba. Top 5 is this original Shanghai fried siopaw. Marami din silang binibentang ibang Chinese delicacies but this is their famous fried siopaw for 35 pesos. Syempre nauhaw ako kaya I tried this sugarcane juice for 100 pesos. Carry naman, refreshing.